Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Instagram saved collection. So if at the end of the day you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete Instagram saved collection, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Now, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Locate and click on the hamburger at the top right. Hang on, then under how you use Instagram, locate and click on saved. Then you should see all your saved collections on Instagram. Now, to delete or remove collection from your saved collection, open the reel you want to remove and then click on the save button again to unsave the reel. So let's say this is the particular reel I want to remove. Then click on the unsave button. It should say removed from saved. So you want to repeat this on all the saved collections you have, like this, to remove saved collection on Instagram, and then you are good. So that is basically how to delete Instagram saved collection. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.